Hey everybody, it's Neil, and check out what I have here. I have a gel ice pack for cold therapy. So we're going to check this out, and I'll show you guys what it is and what it comes with here. You can see it comes with 1, 2, 3, it comes with 5. Oops, oh, they're all just falling all over the place. So cold ice packs here, so I think I would just need to stick these into the freezer to get them cold. And then, man, they're just not in there. It's like everything's falling out. But okay, but then you have these little pack, the little holder for it. So then I can stick them in here. I'll just stick one in here. I'll show you guys what I'm talking about here. So there we go. So now it is mostly in there. I don't know if I did the best job, but you get the idea. So it's in there like that, and then you can put it on your hand or whatever to rub it on stuff or whatever you want to do with it. So, or just leave it as a cold compress to wrap around your wrist if something's hurting, or your arm. You can wrap it on your arm. If I had a boo-boo up here, I could do it like that, and it will keep it nice and cold. So really cool little device. I guess I could wrap it the other way here and make it go that way, whatever, if I want it to be directly contact. And it comes with 2 of those, and it came with, I think, 5 of the ice packs. So I'm going to stick these in the freezer so they are ready to go if I ever need some relief. And these are soothing gel packs, and yeah, just have to put them in for a couple hours and in the freezer, and they should be good to go. So nice little devices. Thumbs up.